Sir B.
Ingat, bossing!
Kaya po nagre-request na sana mapanood nila yung Itbulaga sa mas malaking studio. Kailan po kaya mangyayari?
We're doing fine with our studio right now. And what's more important is yung mga nanonood sa kanilang mga bahay, yung mga nanonood sa social media, Facebook, YouTube. That's more important. Yung mga team studio, they're okay. They're about 200 persons today. We're doing good.
Sir, maraming pinagdaanan ng Itbulaga. Anong feeling niyo na matatag pa rin kayo at buong buo pa rin po yung tamo?
Swerte. Kami naman, we leave it all to God. We leave it all to faith. Kami naniniwala sa isa't isa. We're one big family. And kagandahan pala, namin na kami mag-golden anniversary.
P, serye, meron ba tayo kung sakasakali after
Yes,
ng serye mo?
pero siguro next year na ipapalabas. As soon as schedules align, we'll start anytime soon. Pangalan natin kung ano lalabas. Yeah, but definitely.
Meron na. Balik serye na tayo.
Thank you, thank you.
Thank you, everyone.
Maraming
Attack.
Ganun ang diskarte. Haba na yun sa nalabas na ba yun? Meron na. Basta nagaganyan na yun sila.
We now move on to another excellent performance in a movie that depicted a very timely social and political concern. The movie Balota became a venue for this actress to prove that she is
talaga ha.
Ano, May? Okay.
Dito po, dito po. Okay. One, two, three. Kasi sweet girl pa dyan, kita.
Sorry, dahil nakikita mo ako natatanong.
Ate Hans!
Pag nakikita nila ako, di ako natatanong.
Excuse lang po, padaan. Excuse lang po. Excuse lang po. Ate, sorry. May interview lang po sila.
Good evening, everyone, and thank you, Guillermo, for this award. This really never gets old, and I'm just really thrilled because I'm standing beside one of our icons in the industry, Bossing. Maraming salamat po. Pangarap pa rin to hanggang ngayon. Hindi po rin ako makapaniwala na I get to share this stage with you. And of course, a movie that we did last year. Maraming salamat po sa aming producers, of course, from APT, MZ, and MQuest na naniwala po sa istorya, our visionary director, Direk Mike Tubiera, lahat po ng teams namin, ng mga produksyon na bumuo po ng The Kingdom at naniwala sa proyektong ito. Sa inyo po, kasi kung wala po tayong audience na nanonood, wala po tayong pelikula. So sana po, let's keep the fire burning and sana dire-diretso na po yung suporta natin sa mga pelikulang Pilipino, mga palabas at maging proud po tayo sa ating produkto. Maraming salamat, Guillermo. To God be the glory.
Thank you. Thank you, God. Dick, sorry serious actor na ako ngayon. Next time. Thank you, Guillermo Foundation. Thank you for this recognition. And of course, thank you sa aming director, sa Direct Mike. And of course, my co-actors, especially this good guy beside me. And I would like to dedicate this award or recognition to my children. They serve as my inspiration in life, in everything that I do. And special mention kay Tali. Kasi dito sa pelikulang ito, dito lang niya nalaman na actor pala ang tatay niya. So she was so excited to watch me in the cinema. Hey Dad, I will see you in the cinema on the big screen. Oh, you're an actor, huh? Ali, thank you. And to my wife, Pauline, siya yung nagbigay sa akin ng lakas ng loob na tanggapin yung proyekto. Although I must admit I was somewhat reluctant to do the film. Pero with my wife beside me, siya yung nagsabi sa akin na kaya mo yan. Iwan mo na kay Dick yung comedy. So, thank you, babe. Maraming salamat. Alam nyo, the movie got a lot of good reviews. We'd like to thank everyone for that. Ang daming papuri. Pero, ito na yata ang pinakamagandang papuri na natanggap namin. On behalf of our PJ, thank you very much, Guillermo Foundation. Thank you, God.
Congratulations, Piolo and Bossing Vic. We now move on to another excellent performance in a movie that depicted a very timely social and political concern. The movie Balota became a venue for this actress to prove that she is not only a primetime TV